Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. So you need the following materials. You need your fabric. In this case, I'm using the stretchy fabric. You need your um, accessories, kind of. You need this wire. Yes, and the length of this wire is 23 inches. So it was covered with fabric of 60 inches length and 1 inch width. Okay. While this big circle is 23 inches length, and then the small circle is 18 inches length, covered with 34 inches of the fabric. So I'll be showing you how I did the covering. Just watch. It is actually easy if you have been a subscriber, if you have been following my videos here on YouTube. So I have this B6000 glue, and then I have my base, my fascinator base, already covered with the fabric. It's like a magazine fabric, or you think it's a paper, made from paper, but it is not. This is actually a fabric. So here I used my pegs to hold down the fabric onto the base of my fascinator so that the glue will properly stick on it. So I also use the rose, the two-in-one rose, to embellish. I'll be showing you the rose shortly. But at this point, I'm trying to ensure that the points of my fabric base, the fabric base that is not properly covered, I'm trying to make sure I cover properly and peg it down. This is the rose I was talking about. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. The next thing I'll do actually is to show you how I was able to wrap the wire. Okay, I didn't show you how I wrapped this other one, but I'll show you for the smaller circle. Okay, so just watch and learn. Remember to practicalize. You can see how I achieved this. I'll just cut off any excess thread that is showing, from the fabric. Feel free to fold the fabric and stitch before using it to roll through your wire if you don't want to start cutting off any excess thread on the body. But then this is the method I used. Now I'm going to take off the pegs from the base of my fascinator, and then we'll continue embellishing. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So at this point, I'm trying to form another design, kind of, to embellish the fabric fascinator that we are making. And sincerely, I did not know this was going to be the design that I would form, That's why it's good to be creative. I just kept doing this and it came out beautiful. Okay. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. If you would love to be one of my students, you can also be creative. Just let me know, chat me up through the number that's showing on your screen right now. It is my WhatsApp number. Feel free to also comment in the comment section and I'll pick it up from there. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And if this is your first time of stopping by, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button so you'll not miss out on my weekly DIYs that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Our circular embellishments are quite flexible. Feel free to make yours very stiff if you want to. So you just need to apply more glue. Okay. And at the end of the day, I had to do light stitches on this so that it will be very firm. I also applied glue on the rows and attached on my fabric fascinator. And then I attached my Alice band and this is the beautiful fascinator that came out.